Alright guys, I wanted to show you real quick uh, why I have the extra backup lights and why I have them wired to um, a switch instead of my reverse lights. This is exactly why. Hooking up the RV at night, it's not dark yet, but it's getting there. But look at that, it just lights everything up. The only thing it really may not light up too much is this, but that's not a big deal. I mean, you know, I can see that pretty clear. It's this trying to get that disconnected or connected. Your sway bar there usually is right there. I didn't need it this trip. Wasn't going that far, so. But that's exactly why I have these backup lights. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and it lights up pretty nice. I mean, if you need it to light up your stabilizer jacks at night, or it lights up the other side perfectly. Doesn't really light up your battery, but obviously that's because of the propane. But I mean, it even lights up, down the coach and stuff. So, very happy to have these lights. Very impressed with this quality of this particular brand. So, but here I am. I'm disconnecting my weight distribution. I've already got my foot raised. I can do that one-handed. Lower that, and then I'll pull these off, and we'll be done for tonight. So, cool. Just wanted to show you guys the purpose of my, or one purpose of my backup auxiliary lights. Hope you guys like that. Subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.